Hello everybody, welcome to my lesson 50. This is day 50. Birinchi so'zimiz be able to. Be able to bu can so'zi bilan sinonim bo'lgan boshqa bir modal fe'l. Buni to'liq modal fe'l deb ayta olmaymiz, chunki bu yarim modal fe'l hisoblanadi. Chunki bu yerda zamonla be yordamchi fe'li orqali yasaladi. Hozirgi zamonda misol uchun I can so'zini o'rniga I am able to deb shu ma'nodagi gapni aytish mumkin. Demak, be able to so'zidan keyin infinitiv ishlatiladi. Qila olmoq yoki qodir bo'lmoq deb tarjima qilsa bo'ladi. Be able to. Be able to fe'lini hozirgi va o'tgan zamonda ishlatilishi. Savol tuzadigan bo'lsak, bu yerda be yordamchi so'zi egaga qarab am is are shaklida ishlatilishi mumkin. O'tgan zamonda was yoki were. Misol uchun am I able to go? Is he able to come? Agar darak gap tuzadigan bo'lsak, to be fe'lini egadan keyin ishlatamiz. I am able to write. Men yoza olaman. We are able to come. Biz kela olamiz. Va hokazo. Notni to be'dan keyinga qo'shsak, inkor gap yasaladi. Eslatib o'taman, be able to so'zidan keyin xuddi boshqa modal fe'llarga o'xshab, ulardan keyin faqat infinitivdagi fe'lni ishlatamiz. Men yordam bera olmayman. I cannot help. Yoki I am not able to help. Bu ikkita gapning ma'nosi bir xil. I cannot help. I'm not able to help. I'm not able to help. Biz muammoni yecha oldik. Bu yerda o'tgan zamon. We could solve the problem. Yoki we were able to solve the problem. We were able to solve the problem. We were able to solve the problem. Ular ertaga kela olishadi. Bu yerda kelasi zamonni ishlatamiz. They can come tomorrow. Yoki they will be able to come tomorrow. Be able to'ni can so'zidan yaxshiroq tomoni u har xil zamonlarda ishlatilishi mumkin. Aynan ushbu misolda kelasi zamonni will so'zi bilan birgalikda ishlatilishi ko'rsatilgan. Bu yerda will ishlatilganligi sababli undan keyingi kelgan be o'zining shaklida, ya'ni infinitiv shaklda ishlatildi. They will be able to come tomorrow. Agar inkor gap tuzmoqchi bo'lsak, not so'zini will dan keyin qo'shamiz. They will not be able to come tomorrow. They will be able to come tomorrow. Keyingi so'zimiz woman, ayol. Ko'plikda women. Demak, o'qilishiga e'tibor bering. Women yozilsa ham o'qiganda women deb o'qiymiz. Woman, women. U yaxshi ayol. She is a good woman. She's a good woman. She's a good woman. أنا أيال همشيرة. That woman is a nurse. Bu yerda nurse hamshira. Ham erkak va ayollar uchun ishlatiladigan kasb so'zi. A doctor, doktor, a nurse, hamshira. That woman is a nurse. That woman is a nurse. Ayollar bog'da suhbatlashishyapti. Women are talking in the garden. Women are talking in the garden. Women are talking in the garden. Keyingi so'zimiz reply. Reply ham verb ham noun, ya'ni fe'l va ot shaklida ishlatiladi. Ot shaklda javob degani fe'l bo'lib kelsa, javob bermoq deb tarjima qilinadi. O'tgan zamonda replied. Bu to'g'ri fe'l. Reply answer so'zi bilan sinonim. Answer so'zi ham fe'l ham ot sifatida ishlatiladi. Reply, replied. Ular tabassum bilan javob berishdi. They replied with a smile. They replied with a smile. They replied with a smile. Faqat bitta odam uning savoliga javob bera oldi. Be able to so'zidan foydalaning. Only one person was able to reply to his question. Reply to biror narsaga javob yoki javob bermoq deganda to predlogidan foydalanamiz. Reply to his question. Only one person was able to reply to his question. Only one person was able to reply to his question. U sizning javobingizni kutyapti. He is waiting for your reply. He is waiting for your reply. He is waiting for your reply. Keyingi so'zimiz cake, tort. Cake. Fruit cake, mevali tort degani. Birthday cake, tug'ilgan kun torti. Men o'sha tortdan bir bo'lak xohlayman. I want a piece of that cake. Demak, a piece of cake bu bir bo'lak tort degani. I want a piece of that cake. I want a piece of that cake. Kim mevali tort yeyishni xohlaydi? Who wants to eat fruitcake? Who wants to eat fruitcake? Who wants to eat fruitcake? U otasining tug'ilgan kuni uchun katta tort sotib oldi. He bought a big cake for his father's birthday. He bought a big cake for his father's birthday. He bought a big cake for his father's birthday. Keyingi so'zimiz rest. Dam olish, dam olmoq. Demak, ham fe'l, ham ot sifatida ishlatiladi. Rest. Get some rest yoki take some rest degani biroz dam olmoq degani. Biroz dam olmoqchiman. I want to get some rest. Yoki I want to take some rest. I want to get some rest. I want to take some rest. Sizga dam kerak. Biroz dam oling. You need rest. Get some rest. You need rest. Get some rest. Get some rest. U biroz dam oldi va o'zini yaxshiroq his qildi. He got some rest and felt better. He got some rest and felt better. He got some rest and felt better. Keyingi so'zimiz 70. 70 degani. Demak, 7 ya'ni 7 so'ziga t qo'shimchasi qo'shilsa 70 70 so'zi yasaladi. 70. 70lik sonlarni ko'rib chiqamiz. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. U 75 metrga 13 sekundda yugurdi. He ran 75 meters in 13 seconds. Bu yerda meter, metr degani. Second, sekund. He ran 75 meters in 13 seconds. He ran 75 meters in 13 seconds. Bu ko'chada 78 ta uy bor. There are 78 houses on the street. There are 78 houses on the street. There are 78 houses on the street. Men bu ko'ylak uchun 79,49 dollar to'ladim. I paid $79.49 for this dress. İngliz tilida dollar so'zini aytmasdan turib 79 u 49 deb javob bersa ham bo'ladi. I paid $79.49. I paid $79.49 for this dress. Ya'ni ma'nosi 79 dollar 49 sent degani. Agar dollar bilan sentni ham aytmoqchi bo'lsangiz, u holatda I paid $79.49 for this dress deb aytsa ham bo'ladi. Keyingi so'zimiz probably. Bu ravish. Ehtimol, balki. Probably. Probably. Ehtimol u uydadir. He is probably at home. Probably to be bilan ishlatilganda to be fe'lidan keyin keladi. He is probably. He is probably at home. He's probably at home. Balki ular kechikib kelishar. They will probably come late. Bu yerda probably asosiy va yordamchi fe'l o'rtasida ishlatilgan. Agar ikkita fe'l bo'lsa, u yordamchi va asosiy fe'l o'rtasida keladi. They will probably come. They will probably come late. They will probably come late. U ehtimol uchrashuv haqida unutgan. He probably forgot about the meeting. He probably forgot about the meeting. He probably forgot about the meeting. Bu yerda faqat asosiy fe'l kelganligi sababli probably fe'ldan oldin ishlatildi. Demak, umumiy qoida bo'yicha to be fe'lidan keyin, boshqa holatlarda asosiy fe'ldan oldin ishlatiladi. Keyingi so'zimiz enter. Kirmoq biror joyga ma'nosida yoki kiritmoq. Bu kompyuterda ma'lumotlarni kiritish ma'nosida ishlatiladi. O'shaning uchun klaviaturada enter degan knopkani ko'rishingiz mumkin. Entrance bu enter so'zidan yasalgan so'z bo'lib, kirish joyi degani. Ans bu ot yasovchi qo'shimcha hisoblanadi. Enter, entrance. U xonaga kirdi. He entered the room. E'tibor bering, enter so'zidan keyin predlog ishlatilmaydi. He entered the room. He entered the room. U sinf xonasiga kech kirib keldi. She entered the classroom late. She entered the classroom late. She entered the classroom late. Endi parolingizni kiriting. Enter your password now. Bu yerda password parol degani. Password. Enter your password now. Enter your password now. U maktabning kirish joyida turgandi. She was standing at the entrance of the school. Kirish joyida bo'lsa at predlogidan foydalanamiz. At the entrance. She was standing at the entrance of the school. She was standing at the entrance of the school. Keyingi so'zimiz into. Bu preposition. Into ikkita so'zdan in va to predloglaridan yasalgan. In ichida, to ga birgalikda ichiga degan ma'noni bildiradi, ya'ni yo'nalishda ishlatiladi. Ichiga yoki ichkariga. Into. Into. Bu yerda har xil predloglarning ishlatilishi rasm bilan ko'rsatilgan. On biror narsani ustida, ya'ni tegib turgan holatda bo'lsa on. Under yoki below tagida degan. Over yoki above ustida tegmagan holatda. In ichida, behind orqasida. In front of oldida. Between agar ikkita narsa bo'lsa ularning orasida degan. Into bu yerda strelka bilan ko'rsatilgan, ya'ni ichkariga yo'nalishni bildiradi. Out of tashqariga, bu ham yo'nalish. Up tepaga, bunisi ham yo'nalish. Through orqali. Across kesib o'tish degani. Beside yoki next to yonida. Around atrofida. Bu yerda bilmagan predloglaringizni keyingi darslarda ko'rib chiqamiz. Uyga kirmoq, ya'ni ma'nosi uy ichiga kirmoq. Suvga sakramoq, ya'ni suv ichiga sakramoq deb tarjima qilamiz. Kiyimlarni sumkaga joylamoq. Bu yerda into predlogidan foydalanib ushbu gaplarni tarjima qiling. Go into the house. Demak, bu yerda uyni ichkarisiga kirmoq. Go into bitta so'z bilan enter bilan almashtirilishi mumkin. Go into the house yoki enter the house. Jump into the water. Suvning ichiga sakramoq. Put clothes into the bag. Sumkaning ichiga qo'ymoq. Bularning barchasida harakat yo'nalish bo'lganligi sababli in so'zi emas, balki into ishlatildi. Go into the house, jump into the water, put clothes into the bag. U xonaga kirdi. Ya'ni tarjima qilganda piyoda kirdi deb tarjima qiling. He walked into the room. He walked into the room. He walked into the room. U bog'ga yugurib kirdi. She ran into the garden. She ran into the garden. She ran into the garden. Bolalar maktab sport zaliga kirishdi. The children went into the school gym. The children went into the school gym. The children went into the school gym. Keyingi so'zimiz weekend. Hafta oxiri degani. Ikkita so'zdan tashkil topgan week hafta, end oxiri. Demak, weekend bu hafta oxiri. Ko'proq juma kechqurundan boshlab to yakshanba kechqurungacha bo'lgan vaqtni weekend deb atashadi. Ya'ni bu dam olish kunlari degani. Weekend. Bu hafta oxiri nima qilmoqchisiz? What are you going to do this weekend? What are you going to do this weekend? What are you going to do this weekend? Hafta oxirida bozorlik qilgani bordim. I went shopping on the weekend. Demak, hafta oxirida deb ishlatsak, on predlogdan foydalanamiz. At the weekend deb ishlatmang, u noto'g'ri hisoblanadi. On the weekend. On the weekend degani o'sha kunlardan bittasida ma'nosini bildiradi. Yoki shanba yoki yakshanba ma'nosida. Demak, on the weekend teng on Saturday or on Sunday. I went shopping on the weekend. I went shopping on the weekend. Hafta oxirida yomg'ir ko'p yog'di. It rained a lot over the weekend. Bu yerda on the weekend emas, balki over the weekend ishlatildi. Agar over the weekend deb ishlatsak, bu hafta oxiri davomida degan ma'noni bildiradi. Ya'ni o'sha to'liq 2 kun ham davom qildi ma'nosida. Demak, bu yerda yomg'ir ham shanba ham yakshanba yog'gani uchun over the weekend deb aytildi. It rained a lot over the weekend. It rained a lot over the weekend. Bugungi o'rgangan so'zlarimiz ro'yxati. Be able to, qila olmoq, qodir bo'lmoq. Woman, ayol. Reply, javob bermoq, javob. Cake, tort. Rest, Dam yoki dam olmoq. Get rest bu ham dam olmoq degani. 70 70. Probably balki ehtimol. Enter kirmoq, kiritmoq. Entrance kirish joyi. Into ichiga, ichkariga. Weekend hafta oxiri. Dam olish kunlari. Ushbu hikoyani faqat eshitib tushunishga harakat qiling. Last weekend, my sister and I visited our grandmother. She is a kind woman and she just turned 70. We brought her a small chocolate cake and some flowers. When she opened the door, she smiled and said, "You didn't have to bring anything." I gave her the cake and said, "It's your birthday." Of course we did. She invited us inside. As we walked through the entrance, we saw that she had already made tea. We sat down at the table and talked for a while. She told us stories about when she was young. I used to ride a bike every day, she said. Now I just walk around the yard. After tea, she looked a little tired. I asked, "Do you want to get some rest?" She said, "Yes, I probably should. But I'm so happy you are here. I don't want to miss a minute." Before we left, I asked, "Will you be able to visit us next weekend?" She smiled and said, "I think so." As we walked out, she stood at the door. I waved and said, "Bye." She didn't reply with words, just a big, happy smile. Ikkinchi marta o'qiyman, ham o'qib, ham eshitib tushunishga harakat qiling. Last weekend, my sister and I visited our grandmother. She is a kind woman and she just turned 70. We brought her a small chocolate cake and some flowers. When she opened the door, she smiled and said, "You didn't have to bring anything." I gave her the cake and said, "It's your birthday." Of course we did. She invited us inside. As we walked through the entrance, we saw that she had already made tea. We sat down at the table and talked for a while. She told us stories about when she was young. I used to ride a bike every day, she said. Now I just walk around the yard. After tea, she looked a little tired. I asked, "Do you want to get some rest?" She said, "Yes, I probably should. But I'm so happy you are here. I don't want to miss a minute." Before we left, I asked, "Will you be able to visit us next weekend?" She smiled and said, "I think so." As we walked out, she stood at the door. I waved and said, "Bye." She didn't reply with words, just a big happy smile. Darsimizni oxiriga yetib keldik. Barchangizga katta rahmat. Fikr va takliflaringizni kommentariyalarda qoldiring. Do'stlaringiz bilan ulashishni unutmang. Albatta like bosib qo'ying. Thank you.